PDF document. I think here maybe we can get a PDF document. We'll click on this one, I'm not sure. So I'm actually starting from scratch. Remember, this was not planned. Okay, this is not the document that we're looking for. This is definitely not the document that we're looking for. So you leave that page and search goal 8. Let's go back to our initial the question paper. Okay, the question paper says, okay, let's say social media SG8. Okay, and then we copy that information all the way, and then okay, so let's, my computer is a bit slow, so please be patient with me. Okay, you do that and then click PDF. Let's see. Okay, after doing that, you see now it's taking you straight to the UN website. This is UNAP CICT. This is the UN website. Click on that one. Okay, you should be able to, okay, so this is the document that you'll need to in order for you to access page 62 and 63. Then if you go to, okay, let's go back to the website. Okay, so this is the document that we got. You need to find page 62 and 63, and then you need to read the information there. So I'm just gonna take you, let's just try 62 here. 62, but sometimes this 62, the 62 here and the 62 in the document really are not the same thing. Okay, after clicking enter, where are we on 60? You see, it's not 62. So the information on page 62, this is what they referred you to. Okay, so you'll start reading from here all the way to 63. Okay, 62 and 63. 63 ends here. You'll have to read this information here, but I can assure you that information is not really informative, so you don't really need it. You don't really need that. You need to do a proper Google search to find information about how social media actually contributes to economic growth and stuff. Okay, so I'm just showing you how I'd actually approach this portfolio. Okay, now you have this information. The other part of the question says that you need to go to the lesson. We're not going to go to my UNISA because we might end up revealing our details, and we don't want to do that. Okay, so once you've got some background in terms of those two sections that they referred you to, okay, you can begin with your portfolio. So we've already discussed this. Okay, if you watch our previous videos, we've already looked at the background. We've already, or the explanation of how they chosen social media platform. Okay, we've already looked at that. So what you'll definitely do is that you'll have to choose one of these three. You can choose WhatsApp, you can choose Instagram, you can choose YouTube. Please be careful, there's no Facebook here, so avoid being tempted to use Facebook, because most students actually are familiar with Facebook. Okay, so don't use Facebook. My preferred social media platform is definitely YouTube, since we are already on YouTube, as you can see. Okay, and actually go with YouTube because it's easier. And then what you should do, the first thing you should do, you can Google the benefits of using YouTube. Okay, let's go there. Let's say benefits of using not drones, YouTube. Okay, so okay, so here they've listed some of the benefits, but you can't just take the information like this. You need to go to the actual website and then you can go to that particular website. And then let's see. Once you're here, you'll have to read you'll have to read all this information. Okay, you read all that information, then you summarize it, you paraphrase it in your document. So when you get to the part where they want the benefits of using YouTube for economic growth, you'll take the number of points that you want, and then write them in your own words. Then you reference this particular website. If you look at this website, there's basically no information about the person who wrote this information. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's no name. There's no name there, so you can't reference a particular person, but you'll reference the website. So this is snopmonkey.com. Okay, but ideally you will actually want a source that's reliable. You can use this one. I wouldn't mind. I would actually use this one, but you'll have to reference snopmonkey. Okay, so since there's no date where you're supposed to include your date, you're gonna use N period D period, okay, which stands for not date when you're using APA style. Okay, so then you'll have your information about advantages. You do the same thing with respect to disadvantages. And then so with respect to the background and the explanation, the background, you need to say a little bit about the company itself. Okay, what is YouTube? Who owns YouTube? Where can you find their headquarters? How does it work? Okay, then once you're done with that, then you explain how people actually use YouTube to make money. Okay, you'll simply do a Google search to get that information, but be careful never to use Wikipedia as one of your sources. Okay, Wikipedia is written by ordinary citizens like me and you. The information there changes every day. Okay, so yeah, you need to avoid that. Yeah, let's see, are there any questions yet? Oh, that's good. So here is a question. I'm so happy that we have a question. Okay, Tabi, so Temo, good evening, sir. I hear and thank you for your assistance. Since I am repeating this module EUP almost 3 now, all I want you to do for me, I'll pay and you write for me. Come on guys, we need questions. Okay, we need questions. Okay, can you guys see that? Okay, Tabi, so I'd be happy to write for you, but at this time it's likely that we full. But yeah, anyways, give us a text, send us a text message on our WhatsApp, and then we'll discuss from there. Okay, yeah, we'll discuss. But the information that I've provided on this channel should be enough for you to actually pass the module, especially since you are a member of this channel. You should have all the information that you need, man. And I think your English is not that bad, so unless you don't have time, I'm of the view that you are in a position to actually pass it. Or what you can do, if you're not sure, I wouldn't mind checking your work for you. You can write and then send it to me. I don't mean everyone is supposed to send me their document. I'm referring specifically to you, Tabi. So Timon, is it Timon? Because you are a member of this channel. Okay, so as a member, that is actually one of your privileges. You can write your portfolio, send it to me to check if everything is in order. I'll give you feedback, and that is basically free. Okay, those are benefits of being a channel member. So yeah, Tabi, so just do your work, and then send it to me, and then I'll have a look at it. But please be careful not to send me like maybe 30 minutes before the deadline, because at that time I won't have time. I'll be busy. I'll be super busy just like you. Okay. So I was almost excited that we have a question that needed us to sort of respond to, but still a question though. Anyways, thank you Tabiso for sending us our very first comment. Okay, live comment. Thanks, man. Okay, in the absence of questions, I think by 7:15 I'm gonna end the live stream. I was hoping people would have questions, but it seems that it's not happening. It's not happening. Okay. 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 Now I think there's no one who's coming, so I'm just gonna end the live stream, guys. Yeah, I need to continue with other things. But yeah, to those of you who actually joined us during the live session, thank you, guys. So it's sad that you didn't give us questions. I would have loved to give you guys responses. Hopefully those responses would have had an impact on your final mark. Okay, all the best, guys. Thank you for joining us for this live session. Okay.